Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for May 8th, 2017. 2 days away from my birthday. I'm real thrilled about my birthdays and my age. Today, ES is up 1050. All day, they slowly were grinding up. What we teach on Simpler Stocks Premium is you don't even think of shorting the ESs if the advanced decline all day is just creeping up all day. Check this out on the right. That is not what bear markets are made out of, number one. Number two, daily chart or hourly chart. That is not what bear markets are made out of. Seeing that kind of consolidation. Right now, we could be in la-la land the next couple of days. Just to keep that in mind. So just to keep that in mind of where we could go in that. I mean, that could go up a lot. Now, I'm not sure that's going to happen, but that's why I'd rather go and take the stocks that are bringing up the rear, like the EMD and the IWM, that definitely there are a lot of bullish ideas within those. So keep that in mind in here. So, definitely keep that in mind. So, what else am I looking at in here? IWM up, EMD up 14. Yeah, the bonds flat. Industrials up 55. Transport's up 51. Yeah, gold finally having a tiny bounce. Not much to speak of. You had the gold stocks doing great today. Why? I've told you over and over and over. The crude oil stocks lead crude. The gold stocks lead gold. If gold stocks start going up, maybe we could get a nice old bounce in gold. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's gold. The last 2 hour chart is horrible. The NUGT tried to mount a rally yesterday. It couldn't get there. Go look at a 2 hour chart and start noticing there's a teeny bit of divergence. Not a lot, but a teeny bit. This is out right at this zone while this is on its low. Now remember, this resets every night. It's a 3 times ETF. So for this to have that kind of bounce is actually showing some strength in the gold stocks. Notice also on the way down, this had some positive divergence. I'm not saying to buy the nugget. I'm saying that gold could start to have a bounce now if the gold stocks go up first. You had also today crude oil up 86. It's about time it had a bounce now that everybody's predicting Armageddon. How come this always happens? Everybody up here saying it's going to the moon right when it's overbought at resistance. Now that it's oversold at support, everybody says it's Armageddon. I just don't get it. So just to keep that in mind, that's the kind of things we show on Simpler Stocks all the time. These kind of relationships and support and resistance. VIX, moderately unchanged today, believe it or not, maybe because of the French elections. You have the Chinese market getting whacked again, down 1%. They decided to start clamping down on credit there, and this is what happens when you clamp down on credit. Our whole market has been on easy money. This has gone down ever since the president visited Trump. Wow, is that an insult? Just to let you know. So, basically in here, I'm seeing the ESs just don't look bad. We're going to look at a lot of small cap ideas. I'm going to post them over the weekend on Simpler Stocks on the premium side. Everybody have a great weekend. Talk to you later.